Account to the CDDC account. It's the CDDC that disburses money to the SACCO account. As an extra layer for the money for mobilization, it is being retained at the CDDC account. So that when you have mobilized the numbers that His Excellency has talked about, they come for authorization. We see that you have actually mobilized and they have paid. Then we authorize the CDDC to pay you.
I think that explanation is done. Because again, if this money comes directly, especially from mobilization, it can be you. Yes. Your person has been working mpaka there is proof of recruitment.
These SACCOs, they actually wrote a proposal to ask for money in a template that we provided. So when you hear 2515 is what they may have asked for, but there is what was approved by the county project steering committee, which now, because we wanted to give everybody something, we scaled down from $1 million, which is the maximum, to 700,000, so that each and every SACCO receives something.
That makes sense.
So our typical way we have looked at it is that the rent is going to cost 54,000 at 5,000 maximum for 12 months.
Therefore, it's not for many months. For
12 months.
Right.
Then salary for bookkeeper, 25,000 a month for 12 months, which is 270. But the market rate is 15. So we want them to pay at the market rate that they have negotiated, and that money can be utilized for other activities. So what I'm reading is the maximum amounts that were approved by the county project steering committee. But that doesn't mean that they must use that amount. They can utilize less an item and probably slightly more from that, depending on what unique situation. So the other item is stationery, which we are putting at 18,000 for a year. And then office furniture, 48,000. And then we will have automation, computer, printer. That is going to cost 140,000. And then, depending on the ward, from 130 to 170,000 for mobilization. That totals to about 700,000.
No. That's where your honors. You see, listen. See, I will say 130. Let us have it flatly, 130. The other money, let us improve this infrastructure, even getting 2 people working in those offices. So that now, again, you don't even buy the computers in you. But again, people go, not only one person, let there be around 2. And the groups will be able to manage their businesses. Wakati mtu analipia office setup, lazima kuwe kwamba tulipe ofisi, bookkeeping, tununue vitabu, wengine wapate kukula hapo. Have you seen that? Well, I want the savings. I must be hands on. I'm not going to niambie, unajua mimi ya pesa leo. I'm not an expert like yourself.
Thank you, Excellency. This money is to enable
to
pay rent for the first 6 months. It is to enable them hire a bookkeeper and pay his or her salary for 6 months. It is to enable them to purchase office furniture and computers, printers, and also to install a software that will run the circle issues, the loans, the savings, and everything. And then a small amount actually, I think it's about 130,000, is what has been put aside for further recruitment of members. And here, they are required to have baraza meetings and to go to the CIGs that are affiliated to the circles. And the officials have agreed that for them to run one lunch, lazima wao wamesajili mtu watu watatu ambao wamelipa registration and minimum shareholding ya shilingi 500. So that is the strategy.
Kwa hivyo tusikizane, bila anasema for 100 and what from organizations?
About
130. Every 1,000 must be, is it 1,000 must bring out the members and more.
Lunch moja wanalipo 500.
Lunch moja?
Yes, for an official. So akileta watu watatu ambao wamelipa minimum registration is 200.
That's okay.
Yes.
I'm playing with the body. It is 130,000 divided by 500 to get out the members a group must have. Serious?
Yes.
Now you have an example. 130,000 divided by 500 shillings. 100, 216 times 3, because he said an individual will have to bring 3 people.
Yes.
700 and if the that group does not raise that 750, you don't give them 130. Is that the case?
Yes.
Do you see that?
Yes. We don't authorize. When the money is transferred into the account, but for every transaction, the bank has been instructed they have to come for authorization from myself and the chief officer.
Thank you.
So we will not authorize them to be paid lunch until we see the new members in the system and how much they have contributed.
Do you see that? Yes. Members who have to be recruited, 3 of them, they must place a certain amount to be members, and that one guarantees them to be members. And this individual who has recruited them to get 500 shillings for 3 people. And you know what they stand for. How many groups? 18. If you get 18 times 700 and go to the bucket. 14,000. 14,040. The day I want farmers from those groups, 18 of them, I'll get 14,000 people seated here. I'm going to be just a labor. Do you want it? Because unless we do that, our and our myself. Ekiagra iyoge, mali kuibuka kipaje. Kana elite yo, ani yo mosi. Na mimi niko mbele nafanya nini Kisii? We don't want to go that direction. We don't want to make that mistake. You have given us a responsibility. Money has come. We must guide you through how we get this one. I can assure you, don't worry. Nimesema wakisi hapa wewe kwanza hii ndio rafiki wa wanajamii. And another again we said we are able to volunteer because we are not getting them to from there, we are getting them to back. Therefore, we must make sure these people they have given services. So, therefore, the 18 groups, my good people, tafadhali pesa iko na ni pesa unapewa 500. You can't convince them your own wife. or your husband, ama your neighbor. Ukipata ni ngumu sana tafuta leo wako akuje ajiunge, and there will be trainings. Therefore 130 tasaidia gani? Mtoa 130 out of 700. That means 500 more. 570. What if it is I want to be practical. 6 months. We are talking of rent. Roughly rent in the Sangam Point in 3. 5,000. On the other side, 5,000. Zero. 5,000 times 6 months.
1 year.
5,000. What did you make 1 year?
1 year.
60,000. Is it 60?
Yes.
60,000. So we buy 510. Senor, tunataka tulipe ofisi for all year. Na mimi nitatembelea hizo ofisi. Hao watu nimesaba kwa sababu ya rasako, I want to meet them within real hour time at any given time. Therefore 510 bookkeeper. Malipa yeye mshahara pesa ngapi?
5,000. 20,000 a month.
5.
15,000.
25.
15,000 a month. 15.
Wewe historia yako ni mbaya. We're talking about 15. 15,000. What are talking about? And you're one of the officers.
Yes, sir.
Your boss says 15, you're talking about 25.
I'm saying, sir, that you have given us 25,000, but we are giving 15,000 a bookkeeper per month.
No. Yes. 25 is an enforcement officer here.
I'm saying what they have given us, it is 25,000.
No,
yes.
We want to be practical. Don't tell me.
Practical is 15,000.
Yeah?
Practical, I'm paying 15,000.
15,000.
Yes.
15,000 we pay for all of
1 year.
1 year. 100. Hiyo mshahara ya bookkeeper. 1 year.
1 year.
1 year ndio hesabu tu haraka. Maanisha 330,000. This one is for functions.
Office furniture, computer,
Office furniture,
Software.
computer,
Software.
printer,
System.
software, stationery. 100%.